Ladies and gentlemen, my pleasure to see you in our pre-ICO store channel. We are discovered the most interesting startups in the world, and today we're gonna talk about one more. And the topic of our conversation is SwissRealCoin and MIA. The name of the project is SwissRealCoin, the first real crypto estate token in Switzerland. And my guest today is CEO and founder of Crypto Real Estate, Brigitte Luginbühl. Brigitte, welcome.
Hello, hi. Great to be here. Thank you.
How are you doing, Brigitte?
I do very well, thank you. And yourself?
Me also. Thank you for asking. So, first of all, let's talk about your project and what's your project is about, and also what's the main idea behind of your project.
So it's SwissRealCoin is first Swiss real estate backed crypto token, which means we do a more stable cryptocurrency backed by commercial real estate in Switzerland. We're currently in the pre-ICO phase. It means that we're just ready as soon as we have the full green light from our financial regulator. One side, this is the SwissRealCoin part, is the real estate backed crypto token. And we also bring the real estate then onto the blockchain with our software, MIA. MIA stands for Management and Information Assistant, which aims to become software for a fully self-remote, more transparent and more efficient real estate platform for asset and investment management.
Okay, it's interesting to know why it's the first blockchain cryptocurrency real estate coin. What's the particular role of blockchain in a SwissRealCoin?
First, it makes, of course, a crypto or a real estate more tradable, more liquid. The crypto part is very essential to create the tokens, and the tradability is with the blockchain and the crypto. But on the other hand, it's also about data integrity when it comes to technology, where blockchain makes it much more efficient also in terms of data trading, data integrity, data availability. And this is also very, very important in terms of our project. I always say, like when you have three circles, real estate, then technology, blockchain, artificial intelligence, and big data, but also like crypto, then SwissRealCoin is in the bullseye. It means combining all three different topics: real estate, technology, including blockchain, but also crypto in sense of crypto tokens, tradability, liquidity.
Okay, I know you're more than 10 years in real estate, so you really experienced it on it. Yeah. How do you get this idea? Why you decided to develop this project, by the way?
On one hand, I saw in my last 10 years real estate, corporate finance, many opportunities to bring forward this industry, asset and investment management, make it more transparent for the investor, and also more efficient in terms of coming away from Excel-based models, using existing technology, bringing together very interesting software already out there, for which is the platform MIA. Now, on the other hand, I have an extremely inspiring private network, having blockchain and crypto enthusiasts since 2011 around me. And they also clearly inspired me in terms of trying new things, and I also love having new insights, new things tested. This is why I also got inspired and then trading by myself with cryptocurrencies. And it was last summer when we drove from Zurich to Kyrgyzstan by car. Just before we entered Iran, my crypto wallet was on the way down. There was for 10 days offline. Means I was constantly, since when I looked usually a couple of days to my wallet, I was 10 days offline. This is exactly where I realized the world needs a more stable cryptocurrency, and bringing together the real estate needing and having a huge potential to benefit also from new technologies. The other side, having cryptocurrencies with no inner value, extreme high volatility, bringing those worlds together, very stable at a very volatile market. So putting in the inner value into cryptocurrencies, that was where I was thinking of, and having the time then on our further travels. That's where SwissRealCoin had been born.
Okay, are you focusing only on Switzerland right now, or you like some project focusing like on the world? Some projects are focusing on special countries. Like, what are your project focusing? Is like only Switzerland real estate, or maybe Switzerland and Europe, or maybe more wide?
So Switzerland is definitely the market. The perfect market to begin with, extremely stable and solid real estate market, and also the environment is extremely favorable. Having or sitting here in the heart of Crypto Valley, having blockchain companies around us, and also very supportive government. Then we definitely have here in Switzerland starting point. It's also where I know the Swiss real estate market very well, which you obviously need to do a real estate coin. But after SwissRealCoin in Switzerland as a starting point, we're already planning to set up German real coin. Afterwards, European real coin is on the way. So it's extremely scalable. We have a lot of licensing requests also for the Russian real coin, Canada real coin, so definitely.
And after it's going to be Moon real coin and Mars real coin, and we met Elon Musk in Mars in 2015.
Exactly.
Okay. Exactly. Yeah, I just was on your side. Yeah, I just was on your side, and I just saw your page. So it's written. It's like Moon 2030, Mars 2050.
That's with and I yes. So definitely the sky is the limit.
Okay, it's really interesting to see the actual presentation of your product, of your project. So we have your video. Right now, let's take a quick look on your video, and after we can come back and talking about your ICO and pre-ICO current situation. And because I absolutely know that in Switzerland, it's really serious regulated by government, and I know so your product is crystal clear. I want to know about it more, but little later. So let's take a quick look on a video, and let's learn about your project just a little more.
Today, it's impossible to foresee future dips and climbs. But what if there was an easily tradable token with a stable market price without losing any growth potential? SwissRealCoin establishes the world's first crypto token with a growing inner value. A portfolio of Swiss real estate, one of the most stable asset classes in the world, defines the backbone of our tokens. So every Swiss real coin you buy represents a part of this portfolio. So far, so good. But how can the market price of a SwissRealCoin grow and avoid volatility at the same time? When the demand for tokens is high and the market price of SwissRealCoin outruns the value of the portfolio, additional tokens are issued at market price. These newly generated funds are then invested in additional real estate assets, which means that the value of the portfolio grows and gets closer to the market price. This mechanism is ensured by our smart contract and assures that the value of a SwissRealCoin can grow but remain stable, even when the whole crypto market drops. Another great advantage of SwissRealCoin is that all token owners get to vote democratically on which investments should be made or avoided. Our blockchain-based investment assistant will help you with these decisions and enables real-time access to the portfolio data with complete transparency. In a fledgling crypto market, SwissRealCoin offers a new opportunity to participate in the world's most stable real estate market, with a unique downside protection and without sacrificing any advantages of cryptocurrencies. It represents the best of both worlds in one token. This is a world premiere, and we would be proud if you would join us on this ride.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you will have any questions, you can directly ask in Telegram channel, and I'm pretty sure Brigitte or her team will give you as much answers as you want. And let's talk about, as I said before, about pre-ICO, ICO current situation, about regulation in Switzerland. For me personal, it's really interesting to know how Switzerland regulated market and when you guys start your pre-ICO. So tell me more.
So, we had planned our ICO 23rd of May to start. We were waiting for the full green light from FINMA, our financial regulator, which actually was not given on time. This is also why we postponed now the ICO. At the moment, if we are having a lot of discussions with strategic partners to do the ICO on a fully legal compliant setup, which will be then fully, that's our main goal, also having a full compliance and integrity towards our investors. This is also why we did not want to start when not having the full setup clear. Means we're doing now focus also on our product, on MIA, what I explained. And next to we set up the legal, fully compliant setup before we restart again.
Okay, it's interesting. What about MIA, like SwissRealCoin and MIA? Could you describe it, like, for me as a person who not really have a lot of information about what MIA is about, how it's work together, and also after we can talk about why people have to contribute and invest in your project.
Exactly. Thank you very much for this question. So maybe I can show you with a little diagram. Let me know if you see that well.
Yeah, I can see.
So you have here the real estate part. You have here the technology, blockchain, big data, but also machine learning. This is also where MIA is located. And you have here on the other side, crypto. This here, that's the SwissRealCoin and investment part. And here on that side, that's MIA. Sorry for this. That's MIA, and also the asset management part. This is exactly where the investor, SwissRealCoin investor, has then 24/7 access to the dashboard or to the MIA software. He clearly sees the investments behind SwissRealCoin. SwissRealCoin, the ICO proceeds, will be invested to more than 90%, 92% into Swiss commercial real estate. And the investor receives, by having access to MIA, the platform, receives transparency and also voting rights. So he can influence, he has an acquisition right, but also a liquidation right on the other hand. Means he can also influence it. So this is where MIA is a tool for exchange and also a kind of a gamification, but also clearly to make the asset management more efficient and more transparent for the investor.
That's crystal clear. Thank you very much. This was really interesting. Really interesting to know. Okay, we are already talking about investments, about money. Let's talk about soft cap and hard cap. You already probably know, I'm pretty sure, what your soft cap and hard cap is about. Could you let us know, or could you share this information with us?
Yeah, that's a very good question. So we are not a typical ICO funding a new business. The business is here, it's real estate and software development, but also only a minor part. But this is also why it's not the typical ratio between soft and hard cap, where it only scales at a certain proportion. That means soft cap, we are at 30 million, and 150 million is the hard cap. This is a wide range, but it's also about building up a real estate portfolio. There are 150 million for a real estate portfolio is not that much. So this is where it only then starts to scale afterwards. This is why this ratio for an asset-backed token, the typical ICO minimum or soft cap and hard cap, maybe is calculated a little bit different.
All right. We already talking about it a little bit, but let's come back in your roadmap and not that far, not 2050, but let's say 6 years from now. Yeah. So let's turn on imagination and could you describe your perfect morning? You're waking up in your beautiful house, open your eyes, and this is the morning 6 years from now. Did the blockchain and cryptocurrency change the world? What's people thinking about? What's your current situation? What's your project is about?
So my vision is, mine and my co-founder's vision is to have real estate asset and investment management much more efficient and much more transparent. Means that especially when it comes to the investor, he has much more influence about his investment, not just putting money in some portfolio or some fund structure, leaving it there, having no idea, having a lot of, sometimes also adverse or principal agent problems. So my vision is to having an open, transparent and efficient real estate asset and investment, because real estate is the largest asset class. So what SwissRealCoin is becoming, creating and establishing a new crypto asset class, real estate, crypto real estate, which is absolutely going global, and on the other side, creating a new, more stable cryptocurrency.
Okay. I know exactly then every successful project is really difficult to build by yourself, thinking the same way that you think. So could you introduce your team a little bit or tell how many people work in your team? What's the kind of experience they have?
Yeah, I'm extremely proud to have a great team around me. First of all, a co-founder, Eugen Jakimovic. He comes with 18 years of software development and engineering experience, not only blockchain, of course, much more with artificial intelligence and big data. He also built up PropTech companies before. I was a CTO of another PropTech company. Also having great people in PR, communication, former Uber employee. She was with Uber Europe, PR and communication, marketing, but also extremely happy to the rest of the team, more operational side. Also Vardan, he is coming with a neuro science background. Also our advisory board and the board of directors, having a financial professor in the board of directors, CEO of a large real estate company, listed company in Switzerland, and serial entrepreneurs in crypto space, fintech space, tech space, so many surrounded.
Okay, yeah, I ask you this question just because I'm extremely interesting to learn about team, because if I will be your potential investor, I want to learn everything, like every point, every position of your company, because that's how the that's why we use the blockchain. That's why we need to be crystal clear, and that's how people can invest in a project. Yeah, thank you for this beautiful and full answer. And the last one question. Tell me, if your potential investor, why I need to, let's say, participate your project? Why I say, what I could say, why I should contribute in your product?
First, you get access to one of the most stable asset classes in the world, real estate in Switzerland. You have a diversification possibility within a very volatile universe. And second, you will receive also access to technology and software development, which will revolutionize real estate, how it's managed.
Okay. Today we will discover new interesting project, and we're talking about SwissRealCoin and MIA. My guest today is a CEO and founder of Crypto Real Estate, Brigitte Luginbühl. Brigitte, thank you very much to join us, and I'm pretty sure we wanna learn more about your company. Thank you very much for your visit.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to being with you and to explain what we're doing with SwissRealCoin. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye-bye.